Hey traders, let's have a quick look at GBPUSD from a monthly perspective. So from a monthly perspective, we have clearly seen that the market has respected this area very nicely in the past, and we can expect the market to respect this area again. Over here we had a very nice resistance level. We had a nice resistance level, then broken to the upside, and then tested it as support. Support couldn't hold, so it then became resistance. So you can see around this area that the market has respected it very nicely as a resistance level in the past as well, and also we can expect the market to respect this area on the monthly time frame or higher time frames for a good push to the downside at least. So let's go down to the weekly time frame and let's have a look at the weekly and what kind of price action we're getting on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, it's pretty clear that the market is now retested that area, and we can expect the market to then start its move to the downside. So for a weekly perspective, my target for this pair is very simple. Normally with a consolidation area like this, we have a very good consolidation area around here, and what we can expect is the market to actually come down and retest the bottom of this area, and then we will have another push to the upside. So what we are looking for my overall target will be at the bottom of this consolidation area. This is what we are looking for as a weekly perspective. So from a weekly perspective, we are still bullish, but we need to be looking out for a good, basically we need to be looking out for a good push to the downside in order to get a good risk to reward trade. So what we are looking for on the weekly, if you take your Fibonacci from this high all the way to this low, you can basically see that the market has now started to move its way down to the bottom of the channel. It's starting to move down. If you go down on the weekly daily time frame, it's very clear to see that the market is now starting to reject the 61.8 Fibonacci, which is a very strong level in the market. This area over here is a very strong area in the market, and we can expect the market to respect this area and make a further push to the downside. So on the 4-hour time frame, it's best to be looking around this area for another push to the downside, at least to the given target. Now what we can say from this pair, if the pair decides to push through this area and start creating higher highs and higher lows on a daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, then we will not take this pair. But if the market start to create move its direction and move the environment of the market and start to create lower highs and lower lows, then we'll be looking for a nice entry and possibly a nice risk to reward trade for this pair. So let's go down on the 4-hour time frame and let's have a look at what kind of price action we're getting. So on the 4-hour time frame, it's pretty clear to see that we have not yet changed our environment or our structure from the market itself. We have not yet got any lower highs or lower lows yet. So the market is still creating higher highs and higher lows, which means that the market environment is still in a bullish market. So what we are looking for around this area is a nice push to the downside. In order to get a nice push to the downside, we need to find a lower high and a lower low, and also a clear break of structure. Once we have that, and once your strategy allows you to enter the market, you can take this pair to the given target below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just remember that this is not a signal, it's just an analysis and educational video. If you like this educational video and analysis, please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.